Today we are going to install the electronic rearview mirror. My husband always wanted one, and this one comes with the built-in dash cam. So the first thing we need to do is we have to go outside and install the back camera first. And then there's the wire in here to go to the front so that we can connect it to the electronic rearview mirror. So let's do it, honey.
Okay.
Take the screw out at this corner. There's one at the other corner as well. Tip right here and go from behind the panel. Fish it out this way first, and then there's a little gap over here. We're gonna push it through. It's really tight. Got it. We're gonna open up the backup camera. There are 4 screws, so we're gonna open it up with the, what is it, honey?
T20 Torx bit.
Whatever that is. Okay, let's take this out. This camera here, we need to thread the wire in here and to fish it out to this hole. But first, this end is too big to go into this hole to hide it, so we will have to use 1/2-inch drill bit just to make the hole bigger for this to go inside to hide it up here. Okay, we're gonna thread this wire cloth hanger in this hole and fish it out up here in this hole. Let's see. Where is it? Okay, it's actually, yay. Okay, let's fish it back in. Let's tape. We're gonna tape this to here. And then just have to fish it back this way. There you are. Okay, got it. Now let's take this out. And we just have to connect this end to this end. Just connect these 2 ends together. Then we're gonna hide this whole piece up here. And then we're just gonna hide it right behind this panel. Okay, so we're gonna put the screws back in here. And then we put the screw cover back on. So we are done. We mounted the rear camera underneath the backup camera right here, and we just caulk around the mirror so the wire doesn't get into that hole. And as you can see, when we thread the wire under here, we were able to hide it in here and along here, so it looks very clean now. So from the back side, the installation looks very clean. We were able to hide the wire right behind the panels. Okay, so the wire that came from outside, we threaded into this corner right here and run it behind this panel. We just have to hide it behind here and hide it along the window here, and it goes all the way up here, and it would come out right here. But in order to hide it behind this, we have to kind of remove this part a little bit because it just Velcro in, but there's a screw that's holding this panel in. We just have to unscrew it so that we could take this piece out, put the wire under here, and then just put this back and run it right behind this long panel. There's a big space right here actually. So just have to run it right there. It goes all the way to this side, tuck it behind this plastic piece panel, and then run it along here. It goes all the way over here, tuck it behind this little piece. On the A-pillar, just pry off this piece, and there's a screw underneath. Just unscrew it a little bit to loosen up the panel so that you could put that wire right behind the panel to hide it. Continue running it over here right behind the headliners to this center piece. And it is pretty easy to just pop it out like that. And we were able to put all the wires in here and thread it through. There's a little hole here so that you just plug into this mirror right here. Very simple. And we just have to pop it back in. There, pretty easy. So in order to run the power into the mirror, the kit comes with the 12-volt attachment. It would have to kind of hang down here and connect it into the 12-volt outlet right here, and that is just not acceptable. I can't have something hanging here. And so what my husband did is he bought the what is it, honey?
Hardwire kit.
The hardwire kit. And he would just have to plug it in here, and he run it through here, and it goes all the way down here to the bottom. So my husband continued the hardwire wire right behind this this rubber thingy. Like goes all the way down here, right, honey? I saw you pop this thing out.
Yes.
Yeah, so
this
you ran
has,
it.
Two
right.
screws right there.
Yeah. So it goes under here, and then we just pop it back and screw this piece back, and that wire goes
into an add a fuse right here to fuse number 43, and then the ground goes up here, and we grounded it onto the chair itself. And then when you put the cover back in, that's it. Put this in, you don't see anything.
Voila! Out of sight. Good job, honey.
Thank you.